Namaskar, dosto. I've done it again. Oh, I found an old battery. It's at AGM. Only a 12 amp hour. 5 years since it's been touched. One of the terminals was broken off. Couldn't get a light out of it. Until I decided to find some conductive screws, and I drilled and put them where the broken conductor was. I wanted the other side for good measure, so I got balance. And I've just banged a solar panel straight onto it again. This is not recommended. Your batteries may explode. Don't do what I do. But if you're interested, I can show you what I'm doing. For purely informational uses, I am not responsible if you blow yourself up or burn your house down or anything stupid like that. This is not the way it's supposed to be done, but it works for me. Have a look at this. So I've got a little solar panel here, hooked up directly to my battery. Now she's been sitting there for a while, so let's see how she is. I'll disconnect that. A multimeter. Well, let's see what the solar panel's giving us first. .22 volts coming off the solar panel, and that's pumping straight into their raw. So let's see what that's given us after a while. Oh well, another resurrection, 12.8 volts. See, no solar panel connected. 12.7, there we go, 12.8. I'm going to give it a little tickle longer, and then it should be good to go on a normal, safe battery charger. It's out here, away from everyone. If it explodes, that's my problem. Do not do this at home. But it's 5 years dead, this battery, and she's resurrected. I don't think I'll get the 12 amp hours out of her once she's up and running, but you never know. I don't have much experience with these AGMs. My previous battery was a sealed lead acid, and as you saw in the other video, I lifted the lid, I put some Epsom salts and some more water in, charged it this way, this dangerous way that I don't recommend you do. And she's still running lovely now. In fact, I'm using her for lighting tonight. So, we'll see what happens with this one. Catch you later. I love you. Bye-bye.